Hello to all of you. Today I'm going to draw a very simple shark. Just a few strokes. You can draw it. First draw the number 5. And then you draw 2 curves together. And then draw the fish's tail in the shape of the moon. Then draw more details Gilfang's teeth have. Finally, the coloring is done! Do you see how easy it is to draw a shark? Please like and share the video. Thank you for watching my video. Hello to all of you. I'm going to draw a cute capybara today. I'll draw the head of the capybara first by drawing half a circle. There are 2 more ears. Then we draw the decorative pattern of the sock with the bunch of grapes and the leaf. Then we go back to the eyes and the nose. Capybara's mouth is simple. Next, I painted cute socks and add ornaments. Now we're going to color the capybara's head. What color do you think we should paint? I think we should paint the capybara head brown. Around the mouth and nose capybara, which color do we paint darker? Then we'll decorate the sock. So guess what color I'll paint the sock? I know you're right. I'll paint the top of the socks light pink. And then I'll paint it deep pink. The rest will be mixed in green and light pink. It's finally finished. Do you feel beautiful? You can decorate your own colors. like and share my video. Thank you for watching my video.